Hi there. Welcome back to Tech It's Simple tutorial. I'm back with another episode on how to download MyFitnessPal app on your Android device. Before moving on, if you are watching this for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. MyFitnessPal is a smartphone app and website that tracks diet and exercise. Now to download the app on your device, simply visit your Play Store or your App Store and search for MyFitnessPal. The app looks like the blue one with the blue logo. After you find the app, simply tap on the install button and wait for the download to begin. After the installation is complete, you can simply tap open the app by tapping on open, or you can find the app already in your app list. That is how you can download MyFitnessPal application on your device. To sign up to MyFitnessPal, simply tap on the sign up and register yourself to a new account for MyFitnessPal. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or feedback for us, I'll surely be back again with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye. Till then.